Nah.
What kind of bike? Show me your parts. Show me your parts.
They're expensive as fuck.
What kind of frame is that?
Nigga, I'm running on a volume cutter V5.
What kind of fork is that right there?
I got a demolition fork.
Hurry the fuck up.
A resist headset, demolition stem, BMX bars, RE grips, demolition seat with a resist seat post. Resist 160mm crank arms, a resist sprocket, 36 teeth, Shadow Conspiracy blue half link, and my ratio is 36-13, and I got a velocity choker running on Nomad's resist, and demolition pedals with tram straps.
Where'd you get your bike at?
At Mr. Bike Shop.
That hop on California sound, we never water it down. Raised by the block, we was hated by cops. I'm from where the hustlers is getting paid off the clock. Stack cake off the pot and still remain slaves on the block. That's a hood star, fancy clothes and fast cars. Bad broads getting everything that they ask for, my God. Welcome to the land of the brave. You knuckle up for a couple bucks.